Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As promised, today's video is a follow-up. It's a part 2 of the Jason Wu Hot Fluff lipsticks. I have every single shade now. And I'm not embarrassed. I'm a little embarrassed, but I'm not ashamed. They launched a whole new 7 shades after the original ones back in I think June, and for whatever reason I only realized it a couple of weeks ago, and I saw it, and spoiler alert, I love this formula. I love it. I love it to the point where I had to get every single shade. I know you're probably thinking Anna, seriously, did you really need to get all the shades? No, but I wanted to, and I had a coupon. I was searching for a coupon or something. It's good, okay? So I'm here. I'm gonna swatch everything for you. I bought everything so that you don't have to, and you can pick and choose which colors you like. So yeah, in this video, we're gonna do close-up swatches. I'm gonna try every color on my lips. I'll try a couple on my cheeks and eyes. I can't do all 7 because then my face is gonna be red and irritated from just rubbing. Man, but this, if you guys have not tried this, I really recommend you go to your Target, order online. If you sign up for go to their website, and if you sign up for first time customer, they give you a discount. They'll send you a code, sign up for text messages. I know I have all these random phone numbers on my phone texting me, and it's all it's nude sticks, it's about face, yeah, I think that's what it's called. It's Jason Wu, it's, yeah. all right. So we have 7 new shades. Formula is absolutely weightless. You can use it on the cheeks, the eyes. It's so funny because I just reviewed this, but the Nudies Matte Luxe, very similar to this, but more than half the price off. So just saying, I may dupe it. I just had this idea. I think I'm gonna dupe it and see. But both are beautiful. This formula though is so good. Let me just show you the kind of shades that they launched this time. The first ones were very nude and warm nudes. Guys, we got a pink, we got a red. We do have nudes still. Oops. Sorry, I'm trying to keep them in order so that when I swatch them, it makes sense. And then look at this pink, and then this peachy color. I know when I look at these colors, which are not going to work for my lips, because anything that's too straight up beige makes me look like I'm dead, but they're usually really good for the cheeks or the eyes. So oh my god, I'm so excited. I can't wait to swatch all of these together. I swatched them all up close in a video, but I haven't tried all of them. But when I got these, let me tell you which ones were in my bag. I had Cherry Pie and Souffle in my bag. These live in my purse because I'm just obsessed with them. Formula is nice. I know I mentioned that before. It's one of those formulas that when you put on your cheeks, you can blend out. It looks really good. It looks natural. It's very, very seamless. It's so perfect. I swear this is not a sponsored video, but if anybody in Jason Wu or, you guys see whatever and you want to send me some stuff, I mean, I'm down. But yeah, this is it's a beautiful product. Beautiful, beautiful product. Let's cut into swatches because I know that's what you're excited about. That's what I would be excited about to see. So cut into swatches, and then we're going to start applying this to my face. All right, here are the next shades that were launched. I'm going to swatch them again. They launched 7 shades, and like the other ones too, every color is the color of the tube. So let's start. The first one is called Souffle. That's absolutely beautiful. Cherry Pie, which is one of my new favorites. So pretty. Love it. Next up is Caramel Sundae. Pecan. Nutmeg Spice. strawberries and cream. Oh my god, it's beautiful. And sugar cookie. Those are all the colors. Hey, what are you doing? You're ripping that up. Okay, we're back. I have like these little things to kind of absorb sound that I got on Amazon, and I had some on the back of the door, and I'm like, what is this, like these little black things on the floor? Well, somebody's been clawing at it, having a lot of fun. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to swatch them. I'm sorry, I'm going to apply them, and I'm going to apply them in the order that, like, if you go on their website, because they're numbered, it's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's how I'm going to apply it. The last time I did the video, when I put the names in, I still put the names in, I'll try. It, for whatever reason, was like lagged and it was off. I do apologize for that, and I will write them down below in the order that I am applying them to my face. Okay, now, let's get started. I'm going to start off with number 8, Souffle. Same as the other one, you have that really nice Jason Wu embossed on the bullet. And let's get started. All right, Souffle. It's pretty. It's very pinky for me. And of course, if you like the color and you're not crazy about the matte finish, you could always throw a gloss on top. I know some of you are going to be like, well, duh. Well, some people might not know that, you know? All right, next shade, one of my favorites, is Cherry Pie. This one's been getting a lot of love lately. See how pretty that is? And like, let me pop a bit, like just in my crease. See how pretty that looks? It just kind of, I don't know, just ties the whole look together. So pretty. Next shade is Caramel Sundae. I don't know how it's gonna look on my lips, but I'm very curious to see how it looks on my cheeks. And that's the thing with this, is like, even if it doesn't work, like, we're gonna make it work in other ways. So this is one of those colors that definitely kind of like really mutes my lips. It looks okay. It doesn't look too bad. At least on camera it doesn't look too bad. But let's see it as a blush. See how as a blush it looks really nice? Yeah, y'all. I'm excited. Next up is Pecan Pie. Pecan. I say pecan. I'm from Jersey. Pecan Pie. This one looks dark, but I bet you this one's gonna be really pretty on the face. Ooh. This is giving 90s matte. Let's try it on the cheek. That's really pretty. It's funny, on the cheek there's warmth, but it also pulls a teeny bit like red. Do you guys see that? Or is it because my cheeks are red? I don't know. But it's pretty. I'm loving this for like September, October, a nighttime look. Also, guys, don't forget you can mix like colors together too. Like when it comes to this and like makeup, like do what you want, play around with it, get creative. All right. Nutmeg Spice. This is pretty. Get another warm kind of nude. That's really pretty. That's beautiful. I like that one a lot. It's so funny because I hated matte lipstick before. Actually, I hated anything on my lips before. But this lipstick is just so pretty. All right, getting there. All right, this color is called Strawberries and Cream. This is like a purple pink. So I don't know how it's gonna look on me. Let's see. It's pretty, it's unique, it's very purple. Well, it's very blue based. Can you guys see that? Colors like this will pull very blue on my lips for whatever reason. So it's not my favorite on the lips, though it looks better on camera than it does in person. I feel like it's just a little too blue for me, so it's like clashing. But let's pop it on the cheeks. Let's do here. Ooh, that's pretty. On the cheeks, it definitely like pops a little bit. Let me just throw some on my lid. That's what I'm saying. Like these colors, even if they don't all work like great on my like my lips, like on the cheek it's pretty. On the eyes it's really pretty. Look at that. Oh my god. I feel like it makes my brown eyes pop more. What do you guys think? Never in a million years did I ever think I was gonna love lipstick as I'm loving it right now. Like I'm so giddy right now. All right. Last but not least, I believe it's called Sugar Cookie. Yeah, Sugar Cookie. That one I can tell is gonna be light. Or not light, but it's gonna be that beigey tone, but it's all good. Let's take it. My lips are all wet now. This is that color that makes me look dead. See? On the lips, I don't love it. I don't. Let me, I guess I'll pop it on top of this one. Look at that as a blush though. Oh my god, stunning. I'm just gonna go a little bit higher because I went on top of that other one. You know, maybe putting a lip liner, like a brownish one, with this lipstick would be better. But I definitely think it just kind of, look at it as a blush. So pretty. I just feel like this makes me look dead. It almost makes my teeth look more yellow. So, not for me. Not for me on the lips. So yeah, that's all the new shades. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please comment down below. I'll be uploading like swatches and stuff on my Instagram. Follow me there if you ever have any questions or comments. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I did. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one.